Have you ever felt frustrated when affirmations just don't seem to work for you? Flow Tip 30 is all about understanding why that happens and what you can do differently. It comes down to a rule that seems simple but is often challenging to put into practice. What you focus on expands, or as many say, energy follows focus. We've all heard it. Energy flows where attention goes. But what most people don't realize is that our unconscious focus and what we emotionally radiate have far more power than endlessly repeating affirmations that just don't feel true. When you use affirmations, your conscious mind may be saying the right words, but your emotional state could be broadcasting something completely different. The truth is, most people, when focusing on their goals, unknowingly slip back into feeling the lack of what they want or the frustration of not having it yet. For example, let's say you're struggling with your finances and start affirming, I am wealthy and abundant. However, underneath, you might feel stress, fear, or disbelief because your reality is far from that abundance. Despite the words you're speaking, your emotional state is still fixated on the lack of it. And that's the energy you're giving out. Or an even clearer example, because so many of us know it, when you're ill, you might affirm, I am healthy and well. But your mind keeps repeating thoughts about how you don't want to be in pain, how awful you feel, or wondering where you picked up that virus. Most people in that situation would swear their focus is on being healthy, on getting better, when really all they're focusing on is the lack of it. Can you see how that works, or rather, how it cannot work? So, what's the solution, Guido, you might ask? First, recognize that it's completely understandable to feel a disconnect when your reality and your affirmations don't match. That's why we do them in the first place, right? It's human to compare where you are now with where you want to be. But staying stuck in that comparison will only hold you back. One way to build that bridge and shift your focus is to keep a little progress journal. Write down and celebrate even the tiniest steps you're making, the positive changes you notice, and the small miracles that are already happening. This practice will raise your vibration and align your energy with where you want to go. For example, if you are feeling unwell and want to affirm good health, instead of repeating, I am healthy, while feeling miserable, start with small wins and better feeling thoughts. I had this illness before and I recovered, so I know my body will be able to deal with this. I managed to sleep for a full hour today. I was able to drink a cup of soup and it felt nourishing. These shifts in focus, even though they seem minor, open the door to feeling better. And once you feel a little improvement, you can go deeper. I can't wait to feel strong and full of energy again. How wonderful will it be to get back to the gym, meet my friends, or play with my dog? And by gradually shifting your energy, your focus genuinely moves towards what you want, feeling healthy and strong, rather than focusing on the lack of health. And from here, your affirmations will have a positive effect. From now on, notice if the stories you tell yourself and the feelings you cultivate are fully aligned with your goals, or if you're more focused on why you are not there yet. This awareness is crucial, and so is, of course, continuously readjusting your focus. Affirmations can work, of course they can, but only when they're paired with a genuine shift in emotional energy. So practice celebrating your progress to keep your focus on the steps forward, and most importantly, feel your way into the version of yourself you want to become. And then your energy will follow the right focus. And if you enjoy this content and you would like to dive deeper, check out my website, www.guidoshimanski.com. And there will be a little tab saying free resources. And when you click that, you will have access to free PDFs and masterclasses to download. And I hope I will see you there.